Hi Dove. So a former schoolmate and friend of mine invited Levi and myself to her son's 7th birthday party. Well, it's not a party, it's a dinner. So we're now ready and we're going to be on our way. I think it's Burger and Lobster. So we're going to meet up in Stratford. So we're going to meet up in Stratford and then we're going to be on our way. So see you there next, guys.
Your face naked, I can't.
What I find fast asleep. No, really ball is still now.
Okay, watch out.
Ready? Me brought it. Run! Levi, you ready to run? What's it? Hello, darling. So much for the invite. I know I'm gonna have a soul for going out with Mrs.
Well, make this in your bucket, your I'm gonna say your bucket.
Yes.
Every
Yes. That is why I need to make my own money. Hold it for me, please. Can you hold it for me, please? Thank you.
What's the reservation name? Don't make me do jumbo lobster.
Wait.
Let's jumbo lobster.
Ready for dinner, Levi? Ready for birthday dinner, Levi? Levi is such a good baby. He's such a good baby.
I'm going
He is such a good baby. I'm telling you, I couldn't ask for a better child. I feel so blessed, honestly. Huh? Tell him, Levi, huh? You don't give mommy any trouble. Tell him. Huh? All he wants is to be. That's Levi.
So how this one? Okay, good. That's okay.
So I want this one.
Levi Lee. Give Jonah his gifts. Jonah, my darling, on behalf of Levi Lee, here are your gifts. I can't. It's for you. Thank you. 1, 2, hold them. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. On behalf of Levi and myself, I hope that you really enjoy your gifts, okay? You're welcome. Levi Lee? Levi Lee?
Oh my God. That is.
We can't get no picture of right now. Like you look good.
I got this one. Open it.
More money!
Money!
First time trying lemon. Ready? Yummy!
Oh, we see it. Let me see. We have it.
I might enjoy it, man. Don't like your mama. I told me to eat lime too, you know. Like first time I eat lemon. First time. Come here, baby. I love food. I'm sitting. Come. Nice. Got Levi's sleeve. More Levi's.
Sour.
You eat it too. Levi's first time eating lemon. Come. You enjoying it. Like mommy, you know, it's same way I would just bite a lemon or a lime and just eat it.
Here. You?
Can I have this?
No.
Why?
Nice. Nice design. Nice. Here we go. Joyce, I can't see you. Hello, darling.
Jerry,
Don't worry, huh? You'll soon be.
Oh no, yeah, you the one there, that's yours.
We love long hair. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Junior. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Thank you.
Yeah.
You were correct. Excuse me.
Thank you.